You know, I once dated a girl with a lazy eye. I had to break up with her, though. I caught her seeing someone on the side. Oh, hello everyone. Brian Richards here. I apologize. I was talking to my imaginary cameraman. I'm so glad that you are back and ready to learn another self-working card trick. For this trick, you're going to need a deck of cards, so go get it. We'll wait. Are you back? Did you hit traffic? Well, I'm glad you're back, and let's get into today's tutorial. Here we go. For this trick, I'm going to invite a volunteer to pick a number between 10 and 20. So let's say they pick the number 14. All we're going to do is we're going to count down 14 cards. It's totally up to them, whatever number they pick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now, since you picked the number 14, we're going to take the two digits of that number. We're going to add them together. 1 plus 4 is 5. We're going to count down to the fifth card, and that will be your randomly chosen card. So 1, 2, 3, 4, which brings us to 5. Memorize your card. Do not forget it. Got it? Okay. We're going to lose it into the deck like so. Now, I am going to try to figure out what card you chose by listening to the deck of cards. See, if I listen here, ooh, it says actually your card is black. Is that correct? Okay, let me try again. Oh, okay, now it says that your card was a spade. Was your card a spade? It was. Okay, let me listen one more time. Ooh. It says that your card was the ace of spades. Was your card the ace of spades? It was. Pretty amazing, right? Now, I know that's okay. But you see, I really want to impress you. So tell you what, we're going to go a little bit further. Since you chose, it was the ace of spades, right? I'm going to spell out ace over here. A, C, E. That's how you spell ace, even if you went to public school. And then over here, I'm going to spell out spades. S, P, A, D, E, S. Check this out. The next card, my friend, is your card. The ace of spades. Pretty crazy, right? Okay, you don't seem very impressed. So I'll tell you what. I'm going to take it even further. Since I spelled out ace over here, I decided to make these all aces. And since I spelled out spades over here, I decided to make these all spades. Pretty cool, right? But guess what? I'm going to take it even one step further. I'm going to actually deal a hand of poker. But you see, my friend, not only do I like to play poker, but I also like to win at poker. And that right there is a royal straight flush. Pretty neat, right? This is a great trick. And this trick was invented by a wonderful magician by the name of Stewart James. And Stewart James was a prolific inventor of magic. In fact, I think the thickest, heaviest book in my library is one by him. It's called The First 50 Years. It's a huge book. If you can get a copy of it, I encourage you to do so. But he has invented lots of ideas with magic. He even created his own stack, if you will. But this trick is called Further Than That by Stewart James. It's such a great trick. So I'm going to show you the setup. For this trick, you're going to need 10 to ace of spades. Then you're going to need the 3 other aces. And then you're going to need 6 other spades, so you can take them out of your deck. Your setup is you're going to take your royal flush up to the ace of spades, and you're going to put that on top of the 3 other aces. And then you're going to put all of these cards on top of the 6 random spades. And then all of this is going to go on top of the deck. That's your setup. So your setup again is you have your 6 spades followed by all of your aces, the last one being the ace of spades, followed by the king of spades, the queen of spades, jack of spades, 10 of spades. So that is your setup. Now, if you want to, you can do a false shuffle in the membership section. I'm starting to teach a lot about false shuffles. If you know false shuffles, you can certainly do that as long as you don't affect that top stack of setup cards. You don't have to, but you can do a false shuffle if you want to. And then all you're going to do is you're going to invite a spectator to choose a number between 10 and 20. Now, they can't choose 10 and they can't choose 20. They have to choose one of the teens, if you will, 11 up to 19. So let's say they choose, in this case, 15. All you're going to do is you're going to count down 15 cards, reversing the order of the cards. So they chose 15. Remind them they could have picked any number. You're going to now count 15 cards onto the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now you're going to put this pile aside for a moment. You're going to pick up this pile and say, now since you chose the number 15, we're going to take the two digits of 15, which is a 1 and a 5. We're going to add them together. 1 plus 5 is 6. Oh, you're good at math. You must be in the public school system. You're going to count down to the 6th card, and that will be your chosen card. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is number 6. Look at the card, memorize it. Of course, it's always going to be the ace of spades, but you act like you don't know what it is. Then you're going to put it right on top of this pile. You're going to take these remaining cards, you're going to put them on top, and then you're going to pick up this pile and you're going to put it on top of the deck. Now, once you've done this, everything is completely set and ready to go. All you're going to do is act like you listen to the deck, or you can act like you read their mind. I like to listen to the deck and say, okay, it says your card was black. Is that correct? Oh, now it says it's a spade. Is that correct? Yes. Ooh, it sounds like it's an important card. Maybe like the ace of spades. Was your card the ace of spades? And when they say yeah, say, yeah, that was okay. It's not the greatest trick in the world. So I'll tell you what, let's take it one step further. And all you do is pick up the deck and you say, since you chose an ace, I'm going to spell out ace over here. And you go A, C, E. And then you say, I'm going to spell out spades over here. S, P, A, D, E, S. And amazingly enough, my friend, the next card right here is indeed the ace of spades. How amazing is that? But you know what? You don't seem very impressed. And I really want to impress you. So we're going to go even further than that. Since I spelled out ace over here, I decided to make these all aces. And since I spelled out spades over here, I decided to make these all spades. Pretty amazing, right? But guess what? I really want to impress you, so we're going to go even further than that. I'm going to actually deal a hand of poker. But I gotta tell you, my friend, not only do I like to play poker, I also like to win in poker. And that, my friends, right there is a royal straight flush. Isn't that neat? I love that trick. Again, it's called Further Than That by Stewart James. Such a fantastic trick. And I want to encourage you to pick up his book, but I do recommend just be careful you don't pull a muscle, because it's a really thick, really heavy book. But nonetheless, have fun with that. If you enjoyed this trick, do hit like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to be a part of our membership group where you want to learn some more advanced magic, be sure to head over there and be a part of that. There's more videos that are heading up and being uploaded over there to learn more advanced magic with cards and coins and all kinds of good stuff. So nonetheless, I thank you so much for being a part of my day today. Thank you for allowing me to be a part of your magic journey. Now go and be amazing.